In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in QuickBooks Online. If you need to update the currency used in your QuickBooks Online account, this is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct QuickBooks Online company, since changing settings in the wrong account can cause unnecessary issues. Start by opening QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the settings that control how your account works. After clicking the gear icon, select Account and Settings. This will open the main settings area for your company, where you can update different preferences related to billing, expenses, sales, and other important account details. Next, open the Advanced tab. You'll usually find this in the menu on the left side of the settings window. The Advanced section contains more detailed company preferences, including the area we need for this tutorial. Once you're inside the Advanced tab, scroll down until you find the Currency section. Take your time here, because there are several settings on this page, and it's important to make sure you're editing the correct one. When you locate the Currency section, select the currency you want from the Home Currency drop-down menu. This setting controls the main currency your company file uses. Be careful when making this change, and double-check that you're choosing the correct option for your business needs. After selecting the new currency, click Save. This confirms the update and applies your changes. It's always a good idea to pause for a moment afterward and review the setting to make sure everything's saved correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency in QuickBooks Online. As a quick tip, anytime you update an important financial setting like this, it's smart to review your reports and account preferences afterward so you understand how the change may affect your bookkeeping going forward. Thanks for watching.